I, Orlando Ishaduk of Banawi, Ifugao,
having been elected
to
the position
of Sangguniang Panlalawigan member
of the province of Ifugao,
do
hereby solemnly swear
hereby solemnly swear
that I will faithfully discharge to the best of my ability the duties of my present position and of all others that I may hereafter hold under the Republic of the Philippines, that I will bear true faith in allegiance to the same, that I will obey the laws, legal orders and decrees promulgated by the duly constituted authorities of the Republic of the Philippines, and that I impose this obligation upon myself voluntarily, without mental reservation or purpose of evasion. So help me God.
So help me God.
Congratulations.